The truth about BMW auto start-stop that dealers will never tell you. Here's something BMW dealers are counting on you never to Google. That little A off button on your dashboard, it's not just a fuel-saving feature. It's part of a system that changes how your BMW behaves every time you stop in traffic. In heavy city driving, your engine isn't just starting once per trip. It can restart dozens of times in a single drive. And over time, that creates one of the most predictable, expensive wear patterns in modern BMW ownership. Most drivers never think about IT until the battery warning shows up. And by that point, you're already inside a system where replacement isn't just expensive, it's structured. Because BMW requires something called battery registration. And that's where most owners unknowingly end up paying $400 to $600 for a job that takes minutes, if you know what's actually required. Today, I'm going to break down what start-stop is really doing, how much fuel it actually saves, and the one part of this system that quietly keeps owners paying dealer prices without realizing they have options. Let's get into it. Why this system really exists. BMW introduced auto start-stop in 2008 under what they called efficient dynamics. It's now standard across virtually the entire BMW range. 1 Series, 3, 5, 7, X3, X5. If your BMW was made after 2008, it almost certainly has it. The official reason, fuel savings. When your engine idles at a red light, it burns fuel and produces emissions doing nothing useful. Shut it off and you save both. That's true. But there's a second reason BMW doesn't lead with. Automakers face strict fleet CO2 emissions targets in both Europe and the US. Every fraction of a percent they can trim from their fleet average keeps them out of regulatory penalty territory. Start-stop is one of the cheapest ways to move that needle on paper. It costs BMW relatively little to fit at the factory. The downstream cost, a more expensive battery, a system that requires specialist registration, that gets transferred to you every time. This is where BMW's service department sits at the other end of the equation. And that's what this video is really about. The fuel-saving number. Let's deal with the fuel-saving claim properly, because this is where the marketing and the reality start to separate. The AAA tested start-stop systems and confirmed a 5 to 7% improvement in fuel economy, but specifically under urban driving conditions with frequent, lengthy stops. A 2023 Society of Automotive Engineers study found improvements as high as 26% in extreme stop-and-go city conditions. Those are real numbers. For urban commuters in dense traffic, start-stop does something meaningful. But here's what doesn't appear in BMW's Efficient Dynamics brochure. On mixed roads with faster-moving traffic, 3 to 5%. On a motorway or highway where the engine barely shuts off, the saving approaches zero. The system only works when the car is completely stationary. If you're moving, even slowly, it's doing nothing. And now set that saving against the cost it's creating. A quality AGM battery, the specific type BMW's start-stop system requires, costs $200 to $400 for the part. Dealer replacement, including the registration BMW mandates, runs $400 to over $800, depending on the model. That cycle comes around every 4 to 6 years in a start-stop car used in city conditions. On a 15,000-mile annual drive at 30 miles per gallon, a 5% fuel saving puts roughly $200 to $250 back in your pocket per year, depending on what you're paying at the pump. Dealers will never do that maths with you. We just did. The battery truth. This is what dealers hope you never Google. This is where the real money is. And this is the part of the video that dealers genuinely hope you skip. Your BMW's start-stop system cannot run on a standard lead-acid battery, not for any meaningful length of time. When start-stop fires the engine back up, the starter motor pulls a massive current surge from the battery. Without start-stop, a standard battery starts your engine a handful of times a day. With start-stop active in city traffic, that same engine may restart 30 to 50 times in a single commute. A standard battery would fail within months under that load. BMW knew this, so they specified AGM, absorbent glass mat, batteries for all start-stop equipped cars. AGM batteries are engineered for exactly this. hundreds of thousands of charge and discharge cycles, faster recharging, stable voltage under repeated high current demand. On a BMW, the black battery is AGM. The white battery is standard lead acid. Open your boot. If your car has start-stop and you're looking at a white battery, someone at some point fitted the wrong battery. Your start-stop system and your battery life are both compromised right now. Now, here's the part that keeps money flowing toward BMW dealers instead of staying in your pocket. When you replace a BMW battery, even with an identical like-for-like replacement, BMW requires what is called battery registration. This is not changing a battery. This is telling your BMW's engine management system, the DME, that a new battery exists, what type it is, and what its capacity is. The BMW Intelligent Battery Sensor, the IBS, monitors your battery continuously. Without registration after a replacement, the IBS continues applying the charging profile for your old, degraded battery to the brand new one. What actually happens when you skip it? The new battery is chronically undercharged or overcharged, depending on which direction the profile is wrong. Battery lifespan is shortened, in some documented cases, by years. The start-stop system begins malfunctioning. An incorrect charging puts sustained additional load on your alternator. Alternator replacement on a BMW is a significantly larger bill than a battery. Registration takes a technician 5 to 10 minutes, with the right diagnostic software. At an independent BMW specialist, that service typically costs 60 to 120 pounds or dollars. At a BMW dealer, it's bundled into a full battery replacement package, $500 to $800. And some service advisors will tell you they can only register batteries they supply themselves. That is commercially motivated. It is not technically accurate. You are entirely entitled to source your own correctly spec'd AGM battery from a reputable supplier. Bring it to a trusted, independent specialist, and have them fit and register it for a fraction of the dealer price. The only reason most BMW owners don't do this? They didn't know registration was a requirement until they were already at the dealer's service desk. What this system is doing to your engine. Now for the question every BMW owner asks, and rarely gets a straight answer on. Is start-stop damaging your engine? The technical answer BMW gives is no, because we engineered around it. And that's partially true. Start-stop equipped BMW engines have crankshaft bearings coated with special polymer materials, dry lubricant compounds, specifically designed to reduce metal-to-metal contact during the brief window after restart, before full oil pressure builds. The starter motor in a start-stop car is rated for over 250,000 start cycles. A conventional starter is rated for around 50,000. These are genuine engineering upgrades. They are doing real work. But here's where the honest answer gets more complicated, and where the risk isn't zero. Every time start-stop shuts your engine down, oil circulation stops. The film on your bearing surfaces begins to thin. When the engine restarts, there is a window, brief but real, before full oil pressure is restored. BMW's polymer bearings reduce the wear in that window. They don't eliminate it. Over 50,000 restart cycles on a high-mileage BMW. That accumulation is not trivial. The turbocharger is the higher-risk component. Turbos run at extreme temperatures and depend entirely on continuous oil circulation for cooling. When start-stop shuts the engine, the turbo is still spinning in a reducing oil supply. BMW fitted auxiliary coolant and oil circulation systems specifically to manage this. But those are additional components. And additional components eventually fail. And here's the risk that doesn't show up until mileage climbs. BMW's N47, N57, and earlier N20 timing chains have well-documented sensitivity to oil quality and condition. Every restart cycle adds to the count. Every extended service interval compounds the wear. These two things together, high restart frequency and stretched oil changes, are a combination worth taking seriously on any high-mileage BMW. The bottom line: this is a low-probability, high-cost risk. A well-maintained BMW on fresh oil and correct service intervals will tolerate start-stop without catastrophic consequence. But the margin for error is thinner than BMW's brochure implies. And the cost when things go wrong, timing chain, turbocharger, alternator, is not measured in hundreds. It's measured in thousands. Your options: take back control. Once you understand what this system is actually doing, most BMW owners want the same thing: control over when it runs and when it doesn't. Here's what's available to you. The off button is your factory option. Press it at the start of every drive, and start-stop is disabled for that session. When you turn the ignition off and restart, it reactivates automatically. It's free, fully reversible, and does no harm. The only cost is remembering to press it every single journey. Coding is the cleaner solution. Using BMW diagnostic software, either through an independent specialist or a consumer OBD adapter paired with an app like BIM or Code, you can recode the system to default off every time the car starts. Start-stop remains physically installed. It can be re-enabled at any time. You're not deleting anything. You're changing the default state. Cost: from around $30 for the adapter and app, or a single low-cost visit to an independent specialist. This is the approach most informed BMW owners take. Plug-and-play disable modules also exist. Devices that sit between the start-stop button connector and force the system off on every start. Fully reversible. No coding required. Prices from £30 to £80 or dollars, depending on the manufacturer. One honest note: in jurisdictions with strict emissions testing, a permanently disabled start-stop may affect your emissions profile. Coding is generally considered lower risk than a physical module for this reason, but it's worth being aware of in your specific territory. The system was designed so dealers benefit every time it cycles your battery to failure. Taking control of when it runs puts that decision back where it belongs, with you. What to do this week? Here's exactly what this information is worth in practice. This week, open your boot and look at your battery. Black: you have an AGM, correct for start-stop. White: someone fitted the wrong battery. Get it checked. When your battery needs replacing, source the correct spec AGM battery yourself. Match the amp-hour rating and cold cranking amps to your original. Bring it to an independent BMW specialist for fitting and registration. Do not accept the claim that they can only register their own batteries. Budget for $60 to $120 for the registration service, not $400 to $600 for the combined dealer package. On engine protection, whatever you decide about start-stop, fresh oil at the correct interval is the single highest leverage thing protecting your BMW's engine through every restart cycle. Degrade the oil, stretch the interval, run the wrong spec, and every restart counts more than it should. That is non-negotiable. On disabling, if you want it off, code it off. It takes minutes. It costs almost nothing, and it is completely reversible. Here's the truth about BMW's auto start-stop in one sentence. It was designed to meet regulatory targets at the factory. It transfers real cost to you at the service desk. If this gave you something you didn't walk in knowing, the like button helps this channel reach more BMW owners who need it. And that's the only reason this channel exists. The next video covers the other BMW factory-fitted features that are quietly working against your car's reliability. It's right here. I'll see you there.